Ashe, big welcome at Canta Capoeirista. And in this moment, I just want to talk to you about the beautiful mechanisms of the voice and why, in my opinion, everybody should put some effort in to getting to know their voice and experiment a little, because it's proven in music studies that the voice still gives a deeper connection to music many times than just instrumental music. And as well, we always say, also my friends know, or many people know, that I studied art history and music. And I think both forms of art are super, super, super important. But actually, if you see visual art, it's very randomly that you touch to tears or that you start to cry because you're so moved by the visual arts. Whereas with music, oftentimes people say, oh, they get goosebumps or they start crying if they hear a beautiful piece of music. And many times as well, it's vocal music. I sing lots of weddings, so when in a wedding, when I start to sing, often people just start crying, and this is very, very nice. Now there's a science behind it actually as well, because they say that the big part of the brain developed later than the small part of the brain, and actually the small part is, well, in charge of all the survival mechanisms. So and all the big part of the brain, it's more for the optical impressions and everything that's moving. So if I'm sleeping, and usually if I hear a sharp noise, I'm supposed to wake up, and really it goes down my spine and I'm like, whoa, and really, really surprised. And this is why the ears are still, you can close off your eyes, but you can't close off your ears. So whenever you hear a sound, you're probably going to react in some sort of way. And if we see beautiful visual arts, it's really touching us deeply. But many times we know it's connected to the music as well, that's layered above them. So if we see a horror movie, everybody knows, oh, just switch the sound off and it's half as bad as it was. So always keep in mind that if you try to sing really with all your knowledge and with all your heart, that it's just reaching a deeper level. Many times the profesores and the maestros are encouraging us to sing louder and with more energy and with more éché, because we really know it has an uplifting aspect onto our bodies and onto our minds. So just keep that in mind when you're singing along. Bye and ashe.